Hello and welcome back to Digi Cybernet Academy. In the last two videos, we started our journey into the world of computer networking. First, we understood what networking is and why it is important. Then, in our second video, we explored different types of networks like LAN, MAN, and WAN with real-life examples, including their advantages and disadvantages. Today, we are going to talk about network devices, the essential building blocks that connect computers and help them communicate. These devices are like the tools that manage, guide, and control the flow of data in a network. Now, let's quickly go through some of the basic devices used in computer networks.
First, we have the repeater.
A repeater helps in boosting weak signals so that data can travel longer distances without getting lost or corrupted. It works at the physical layer. Second is the hub. A hub is like a simple connection point for devices in a network, but it sends data to all connected devices, whether they need it or not. It also works at the physical layer. Next, we have the Network Interface Card, or NIC. This is a hardware component inside every computer or device that connects it to the network. It works at both the physical and data link layers. Fourth, we have the bridge. A bridge connects two different network segments and controls traffic between them. It operates at the data link layer. Fifth, the switch. A switch is smarter than a hub. It can identify devices using MAC addresses and send data only to the right device. It works mostly at the data link layer, and some advanced switches also function at the network layer. Sixth, the router. Routers connect different networks together, for example your home network to the internet. They find the best path for data to travel and work at the network layer. And finally, firewall. A firewall protects your network by monitoring incoming and outgoing data. It blocks harmful or unauthorized traffic. Firewalls operate mainly at the network and transport layers. These are the 7 key network devices we'll be learning more about in the upcoming videos, one by one, with real-world examples and simple explanations. Each of these has a unique role and works at a specific layer in the OSI model. In our upcoming videos, we'll take each of these devices one by one and explain them in detail with real-life examples. Don't forget, this video is part of our complete networking series, specially designed for beginners and quick learners. All the videos are under 5 minutes and available in our networking playlist. So please like, share, and subscribe to Digi Cybernet Academy for more short, simple, and smart classes on networking, cybersecurity, and